This is a Roper washing machine made by Whirlpool, and the model number is, that's the model number. The problem is it's not wanting to agitate, and we believe it's the motor couplers. So that's going to be the project for today. Now, I don't know about all models, but this one here, once you get the screws out, you just pick up on it like that. Pull this back. We're going to set that back right there. Alright. This top. One clip. While you're in here, it's a good idea to go ahead and clean all this out, because this is going to have a lot of old soap residue and hair and stuff like that. Just clean it out. It'll make everything flow better, as well as cleaning all this best you can, depending on how old yours is. Ours is quite a few years old, so it had a lot of cleaning. Let's pop these clips off and get the pump out of the way. I don't know if these vary from model to model, but these for me are 1/4 inch. There's one there and there's one down there at the bottom. You got to take those out. Something else you can do to get the pump out of the way is clothes hanger. Well, this repair video is going to be postponed because I don't know if you can see that. No, you can see that. So I might go ahead and pull that off and change the cover anyway, just to get the video finished up. But man, washers are so expensive. I don't know if we're gonna try to fix this one. I don't really care to splice wire, but that's all. I believe just 110 stuff. Yeah, that's just 110 stuff. So splicing, as long as it's done correctly, it'll be fine. Then maybe I'll follow up with that one. All right, so I went ahead and popped the motor off. The coupling's in good shape. That's not even the problem. That one up under there, that one's in good shape. It's not broke. So our problem was electrical. Whenever I get the part, whatever we decided what we're gonna do, I don't even know what we're gonna do yet. I may do a follow up on rewiring it. So to be continued. Fixed.